So vocals were an integral part of our performance, not only because the show consisted of us speaking dialogue throughout, but we were also required to mimic and replicate the speech of our chosen interviews. So in order to meet some requirements of verbatim theatre in our performance, it was imperative that we were able to use our voices in order to mimic our interview sources within our performance. So our content was created purely from these interviews, and as we would then be portraying our chosen interviewees in the show, we needed to ensure we spoke and sounded how they did in these videos, which was one of the most difficult parts of this project to achieve, as being able to mimic and replicate is an incredibly hard skill to master. This involved continuously studying our footage during rehearsals in order to learn and mimic the way that they spoke, including their speech patterns, intonation, hesitations and pauses, in order to mimic both them and the naturalism from them being interviewed. However, I strongly believe that everyone worked extremely hard to study all of our footage and work to mimic the speech and voice of their chosen interviewees within their final performance. I also felt that my hard work in studying the footage paid off, as the final show was my best and most accurate performance of Lucas, both in my own opinion and from the feedback that I received at the end of the show.